Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by powering down and disconnecting the keyboard. You don't want electricity or a stray key flying off. Once unplugged, remove any batteries and flip the keyboard gently so you can access the spacebar. Use a flat pry tool under the edge of the spacebar cap and lift slowly. Spacing clips can be fragile, so take 2 or 3 small lifts rather than one hard pull. Make sure to keep screws and stabilizer parts in a labeled container to avoid confusion later. Once the cap comes off, you'll see the stabilizer bar and clips holding the spacebar in place. This is where most damage happens. You should unhook the metal bar from its plastic anchor points by pressing the clip inward and sliding the bar free, and then lift the scissor or stabilizer assembly straight up. Take photos of the assembly orientation so you can reverse the process. Make sure to keep pressure even if something resists. Stop and reassess rather than forcing and breaking a clip. With parts removed, clean the area with a soft brush and a 70–90% isopropyl swab. You want to remove debris without soaking components. Once clean and dry, reinsert the stabilizer bar into its anchors, align the scissor or rubber dome, then press the spacebar cap down evenly until it snaps into place. Test key travel and responsiveness. If the spacebar sticks or wobbles, make sure clips are fully seated and the metal bar is straight. If still faulty, recheck orientation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.